1970 Ford Mustang Mach1, 351 Cleveland, automatic, bright yellow. Owner's a friend of mine, probably known him close to 30 years. Brought it to me, said it has some steering issues. Feels like the front end's gonna drop out from under it. I have a feeling I know what the problem is, so we're gonna take a look at that right now. .351 Cleveland, one of my favorite engines. Air conditioned car, power steering, power brakes, well optioned car. I have a feeling I may know what the problem is. From the way it was acting, it sure seemed like it might be a fluid issue. Let's take a closer look. Oh man, that does not look good. I think what I should do is drain all that fluid out and replace it with fresh. I don't even know what the heck that is, but it's burnt, nasty stuff. So before I do that, I think I'll put it up in the air and take a good look at everything underneath. Make sure there's no mechanical issues along with this horrific fluid. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. I don't see any leaks or anything that's really loose. Just that power steering fluid that looks really super dirty. I think what we'll do is we'll do a drain, try to flush as much out as I possibly can, and refill with new clean fluid. He told me he had to add another shop to take a look at it, and that they did add power steering fluid to it. But look how runny it is. I have a feeling they added the new modern fluid, which is super thin for the new power steering pumps. This car requires Type F automatic transmission fluid. Definitely the system will hate it. Make all kinds of weird noise, feel like it's gonna blow the front end apart. So I think what we'll do, clean up the mess I made, put fresh Type F in, and take it for a ride. Definitely way better. It seemed to get better as I drove it. I think what I'm going to do is give it one more flush and see what happens. I'm going to explain to you what the actual problem was with this car. As I'd mentioned, the car was at a previous shop. They looked at different things and they said the fluid was low in the power steering and they refilled it. I have a feeling, I don't know for sure, but I have a feeling that they used the wrong fluid. The new fluid that you see at places like AutoZone or O'Reilly's, that stuff is designed for newer cars. It's a thinner viscosity. It does not have the thickness that the fluid for this car needs to be. Always install a transmission fluid, primarily type F, if you can find it. It's kind of weird. AutoZone sells a type F made by STP, and I've had really good luck with that. So that's exactly what I put in here. When the car came in, the steering was notchy. It felt like the whole front end was going to fall off. It was banging, clattering. It was really bad. Got it in, did the first drain. It seemed better, but it wasn't right yet. So got it back in, drained it for the second time, and just taking it on the ride right now, it's better. The power steering pump still makes noise. I'm going to suggest to the owner to drive the car. It started getting quieter as I drove it. I don't know, there's no such thing as self-healing, but sometimes there is. It's weird to explain. If you worked around cars long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The noise may get less over time and possibly even go away. I'm not guaranteeing it'll happen. I'm hoping it'll happen. In the end, I'll let him drive it for the summer. It shouldn't give him any issues, any problems with it during that time. I'll get it back in, or we'll do the job over the winter, throw a new power steering pump on it. And I noticed the power steering pulley as well. That's got a wobble in it. That'll do it for this episode. Hopefully, through the problems with this car, you learned a couple things, especially about power steering fluids, what to use, what not to use. It happens a lot more than you think. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thanks again for watching.